Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. How are you today? So today we're gonna do a little DIY organizational with this little guy here. There's so many different uses. I believe it's a cleaning caddy. It's called a tote caddy. And you know, a lot of people put their cleaning supplies in here, but I wanted to show you how many times do you go and you're having like a little party and whatnot, and you have all of your stuff kind of just thrown together like this. Well, I wanted to show you how you can use one of these to have a little carrier, but also to decorate it in different styles that you want. So I just happened to have this guy here. It was a yardstick, and it has this little piece that the stick was going through. And so all I did is I took that piece and I turned it up a little bit, and watch this. So all you're gonna do on something like this is stick that little piece, right? You're gonna stick it through this little guy here. And then I'm gonna tuck this piece right under there. And look how cute. And then I can just pinch that down so that it's not going anywhere. And look at this, you guys. I've got a nice little 4th of July type Labor Day, Veterans Day, or any type of Americana decor, and it's not going anywhere. And so now let's go ahead and do our items. So I'm gonna take my napkins. They're gonna fit right in here just perfectly. I'm gonna take my cutlery, and they're gonna fit in here perfectly, and they're gonna stand up. Oh, this one fell out the corner. They're gonna stand up perfectly. And then guess what? These little guys fit right in the back, just like that. Oh, we've got another one falling out. So usually, once you get them in there, they're not gonna fall out. But so then you have this little guy. He's on your table. And let's say the holiday changes, right? So I'm gonna go right back over here to my little flowers and leaves. And you can pull off one of your little flowers. And I don't have anything to hold this down with, but I would take like some hot glue or something, and you can hot glue it right in here, wherever you want, in the corner. Over here, you could just fill it with whatever you'd like. Maybe some leaves or something like that for an outside backyard little fall table. So I think this is a great idea. This is, I actually keep something like this in my kitchen all the time. So when people come over, they always know, especially my grandkids, they always know that they can grab the paper plates, and they're low on the counter so that they could just grab them and not have to fiddle around with glass plates. So I hope you found this useful. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. All right, have a great day. Bye.